Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have the rest of my portrait of letters from a lady from Angela Kerr. And I'm telling you, Angela really outdoes herself with these things, and I'm finally getting ready to get started on mine. She's about to come up with another one, and I might have to wait on this one. Funds are low. But she always wraps up this in such pretty pink this tissue paper. It's just gorgeous, and I don't know if you can see all the details on it. It's just really light and faint, but it's so pretty. And so I saved this because I will be using it in a journal. Probably not this one, but in a journal. So the rest of the kit, what I ordered was this is Angela's little card, thank you card, and then on the back, don't know if you can see that either. I don't know if it's going to focus, but it is all her information. So it's www.angelacardesigns.com, or on YouTube, it's just Angela Kerr. And then Facebook group, same thing, fans of Angela Kerr Designs, and then her email. So what I ordered this time was to go along with the kit. Part of it's for the first kit, and part of it's with the mini kit, the little mini journal. But of course, she always sends this beautiful little tag for me. I don't have a printer, so yes, I know I pay more, but I don't mind because this is gorgeous stuff. So let me put this aside, and the first thing I'll show you is the fabric. Now, I went ahead and got the fabric because I wanted to wrap my main book in fabric. And I love these little bags too. Look at that, with love. And this is so cute. So, I don't get rid of anything. That's why I have no room in my van. So it's wrapped up in beautiful pink tissue. Sparkly too. Alright, see if I can salvage some of that. Oh no, this is not fabric. This is, maybe I already got the fabric. Yeah, this is the ribbon. My bad, this is the ribbon. Look how beautiful. I love this. And then we have this one. And then this beautiful ribbon here. And look at this little tiny one. I love that. And then, of course, we have some little cotton like this. And then some pretty satin. That actually looks like seam binding. And then we have this little narrow, kind of a maroon color. Not sure how this is showing up on my camera. The lighting is terrible here, and I apologize for that in advance. And then we have some like this pink, kind of a mauvey pink. And this is really cute. And then we have just some grosgrain ribbon. And this really pretty off-white, like. And then I love this. It's a little pink, and it's got little silver hearts on it. And then we have some more narrow ribbon. This has got Swiss polka dots on it. I don't know if you can see it that well, but do. And then this little kind of a mauve check. And then last but not least, this little satin ribbon. So that was all the ribbons and stuff I got. I was mistaken. I think I showed you guys the fabric that I got from my cover and stuff on the last shipment I got. And I will have to say, I ordered this, when did I order this? Well, I lost the place where I put my little thingy at, but, anyway, I ordered it not too long ago, and it came in really quick. As a matter of fact, it came in something much quicker that was being shipped from Georgia. So, a Christmas present that I had ordered for my brother, and it didn't come in until very late. So then, I got, 2 little packs of these little flower petals. These are the, like, the, I don't know what you call them, but, they're flower petals, because I had centers already to match, and so, that I got from Dollar Tree, and so I'm going to use those. And then before I show you the mini journal, let me show you the other thing I ordered. See, my problem is she keeps adding stuff to her kits, and I want it. So I told her she needed to quit doing that. It's going to go bankrupt. But I don't have a printer, and I don't always have access to one. So I'm very grateful that she does do this. Okay, now this is doilies. Look how pretty those are. I'm not sure how she prints this stuff off, but it is just gorgeous. Look at that. And she did a specific project with these, and that's the reason I wanted them, because I wanted to do the same project. Look at this lace. Isn't that gorgeous? And this. I love this. And then you have like little half ones. And she's even got mini ones in here for the mini journals too. It's just really pretty. Look at these little doilies. And they look like they can just dance right off the page. I love this one. Love those little flowers, little hearts. And look at the little lace hankies, the little embroidered handkerchiefs. And that's pretty. These will fit into the mini journal. And they're all different. Let's see. This might be back to, yeah, the beginning, because I got two sets of them. Let's see. Yeah, that's back. Okay, here's, so I got two sets of these. Now, these are for the mini journals that she created. Look how adorable those are. I mean, they're just so sweet. Angela, my friend, you are a genius. I love your stuff. So, but I had to put a hold on it now. I just found out that I'm probably going to wind up having knee surgery soon, and I'm going to be out of work for a couple of months. So, I'm going to be busy working on the journals that I got, and that's okay. Look at these cute little doilies. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And so I think they're basically the same as the large ones. They're just mini scale. Yeah, they're just mini scale. Love these. Just real pretty. And she put just a touch of blue in there because there's a touch of blue and stuff in here. And if you're like me and you don't have a printer, you know, she's very reasonable, considering all the ink it takes to print these out. And she just sends them in these plastic sleeves. And, you know, it has a little label thing here. You can label it or whatever. And they're just, it's just wonderful. Okay, so let me show you real quickly the mini journal kit. Now, this is, this page and this page, I think this one's a little different than this one, but these, this is the journal itself, and it's going to fold like that. It has a little spine right there, and then I'm going to fold this over here to make the little mini journal. That is so cute. I cannot wait. I'm going to make a couple of these, because I have enough to make a couple. So pretty. And I love this pink, blush pink with the lace. And then we have this. And then we have these. These are some little pockets and little cutout parts like you can, you know, to make enclosures with. And these are the same things to make, you know, make pockets or whatever out of. Not sure, I gotta look on that one. And then, of course, this is like a little envelope, and there's some, why can't I ever know that? Words, please. Index markers or whatever, you know, those are so cute. And I love the little cut aparts. This is another envelope with a little pen and some little stamps, little butterflies, and that. And you know, you can mix and match between the two kits if you want to put something on, you know, one or not the other. And these are little page flags, little things right here. Makes corner tuck spots. And some, now these right here, like journaling cards and stuff, and they are double printed on the back. Very light so that you can write over it. Just very pretty. I love this little pocket. And these are like little pages. Not sure exactly, but they are double-sided as well. And I love this page. It's got little sayings on it, and tags, and little pockets, and little postcards and stuff. And there again, it is printed double-sided. And here's some more tags and journaling cards. I love this little mini kit. It's just adorable. And then here's the kit all over again, a second kit. All over again. So you get two, when you order this, you get two full kits. So I'm excited. I can't wait. Whoops, can't wait to get started in that. Excuse me. Didn't mean to knock over the camera. I got really excited. Anyway, so hopefully I'll be starting all these soon. Like I said, it's a little hard for me sometimes to find places to film and journal and to do these things. Of course, I journal and stuff in my car, but it's a little hard with this stuff. So I'm going to be cutting things out and putting things in order in the next couple of days, and hopefully get those done so I can start working on the main journal. And these will be fixed out when I get through. Like I said, I'm going to be out of work for a couple of months when I have my surgery, and I'm still missing a day or two here and there now because it's just the pain's been so bad. I had to go get a shot this morning and some stuff. So yeah, it's been it has not been fun, let me tell you. So anyway, hop on over to Angela Kerr's channel if you've not ever been there. And y'all, I promise I will try to link it below, but if I don't, it's just Angela Kerr, Kerr. And then angelakerrdesigns.com. And she is on Etsy as well. So I love her work. It's beautiful. If you have a printer and can print your stuff out, of course the digitals are easy for you to do. Like I said, I don't. And if you don't have a printer, and if you're not like me and impatient and just order the first thing out there, wait till her whole kit's finished building. And then you can order a kit all together with one shipping price. But anyway, she's really good, and the prices are really fair compared, considering, you know, the quality that you get and the quickness that you receive your items. And, you know, it's beautiful work. So thank you, Angela, so much. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. So I think Wednesdays are going to kind of be like my journaling days, whether I'm showing you things that I got, or we're going to start working on a journal or whatever. I think Wednesdays is going to be a good day to do that, because usually Wednesdays are my days off. So I'm going to be doing that soon. Hopefully I'm going to be going live soon. I haven't been live in a very long time, and I really want to do that. So also, please make sure, guys, if you're just joining me for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It does not cost anything. And for all my loyal subscribers that have been here, you guys make sure you give me a thumbs up. Got to get me back into that rhythm. And also, if you want to join, they said that button is activated, but I don't know because I can't see it on my end. But if you would like to join our club here on YouTube, you get special incentives and things like that. I've already loaded them all up on the community tab, the join button or whatever. So it's only, I think it's $5 a month. But yeah, anyway, thank you all for hanging out with me just for a few minutes here. And I will see you all again soon with another video. Bye.